Hello guys, we are so glad to have you back on this channel, just like always. And on today's video, we are once again at the Ekwulobia flyover that has been finally completed in Ekwulobia town, Agwata local government area of Anambra state, Nigeria. Equally, if you look at the roads already, you already know that these roads have all been asphalted up till the flyover in conclusion. So guys, right now we are going to go to this flyover because the last time we did an update of this flyover, yes, it was completed, but there were some little maintenance work to be done to finally finish the work. Yes, it will amaze you today to see that all of those little maintenance work that needed to be done has been done already. Yes, the caves have been done completely on both sides, and this flyover is totally set. So I officially welcome you to the Ekwulobia flyover that is finally completed in Ekwulobia town, guys. So on this video, I'm going to take you guys around this flyover so that you will see what it looks like right now. Also, I'm going to take you to the ultra-modern shopping mall and also motor park that is also under construction right beside this flyover. And also, I'm going to take you towards the iconic tower, talking about the Solution Tower that is also under construction right beside this tower altogether. And we are going to look around the surrounding roads and see what they currently look like at the moment. So if you look at these stands here, this is the street light stand. Yes, that's what you just saw now is the street light stand. I'll still show you another one, one of these stands for the street lights that will be fixed right on this flyover before it's being commissioned by the governor of Anambra state. We're talking about Professor Charles Soludo. Yes, so over here is another street light stand right on this flyover. This is how it is all around this flyover on both sides. This is how the street light stands we are done. So what is remaining on this flyover right now is the street lights and then the road markings. Also, stripping of the remnants of the sands and stones is also going to be done all together. If you also remember the last time we did an update of this flyover, that was about a month or so ago, you will notice that these sidewalks on this side have not been done. Those were the remaining stuffs I told you about. On this side, you can see that the sidewalks and the caves have been completely done. Okay, and even on the other side, the sidewalks and the caves also have been completely done. So what we are saying in essence is that our flyover is ready. When I say it's ready, it is ready, guys. This flyover is totally ready for use as I'm talking to you right now. So I would love to hear from you, just in case this is the first time of coming across this channel. This is BlessingGodwinTV, and I'll indulge you to do well to subscribe to this channel, just in case you have not subscribed already, for more beautiful updates like this coming your way. And to our returning subscribers, you guys are the bang. I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you for the support, for the encouragements, and every other thing you have been doing to see that this channel is alive today. It is because of you guys that we are still here. So I'd love to appreciate you specially for your support all this while. So guys, we are going to go from this spot of this flyover to the other end, so that I'll show you what this flyover looks like entirely. And at the same time, while on top of this flyover, we are going to look at the ultra-modern shopping mall and also motor park that's under construction. We are going to look at the surrounding road, talking about the Iswafia road. We are going to look at the Oko road, and also we are going to look at the Oga road all together while we are still on top of this flyover. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to hear your ideas. I'd love to hear your commendations. I'd love to hear anything at all, even things that you know about this project that we don't know. Please, I indulge you to please do well to share with us so that we all will be on the same page together. So you can see that the flyover has been finally completed, and just like I told you guys before now, what is left to be done on this flyover, I mean the only thing that is left to be done on this flyover is road markings and then fixing of the street light. I've already shown you what the street light stands look like, and those stands you are seeing are on both sides of this flyover. So by the time they fix those street lights stands and then the road markings, probably this flyover will be commissioned officially by the Anambra state government, and we are talking about the Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo's administration in Anambra state, Nigeria. Guys, Anambra is right now a construction site, just like I've always told you guys, and you already know what that means. And we have been showing you evidence to prove that truly Anambra state is a construction site. You know, most times when we talk, we don't just talk. You know, we don't just talk because we know how to talk. We talk, and at the same time we show you evidence of what we are talking about, and that is the beautiful part of it entirely. So you can see this particular spot here. This is the road that leads to Ekwulobia town. Yes, you can see that the road is totally done with up to Ekwulobia town. So this is the road that will take you straight to the hometown of the governor, talking about Ekwulobia town. Okay, so we are going to go towards this other side so that we'll also look at the other road that would take you to Oko town. Yes, so you can see what is going on around here, and you can see that particular road. Don't worry, we'll go closer so that I will zoom well and you'll see it. Also, talking about these umbrellas you are seeing all around here, these incessant parking of vehicles and all of that. Just like you saw the video we did, 2 videos we did before now, show you a bucket with a bag, and also there's also a park that's also being constructed right beside this spot here. So all of these parks that are being constructed in Ekwulobia would address all of these you are seeing here. Okay, so that should not be a problem. The governor is on top of the matter as it is right now. So that's the road that leads to Oko. Yes, this particular road is the road that leads to Oko directly, and you can see that it has been asphalted from here up to Oko town and through Oko town. So the government is truly transforming Anambra state, and no doubt with the way it is going right now, guys, in the next 2 years, if it continues like this, Anambra is going to be truly the light of the nation that it should be. So guys, also take a look at the project I was talking about, the ultra modern motor park, and also stores that are being constructed right beside the Ekwulobia flyover. You can see what is also going on at that particular axis of the construction. Work is massively progressing at this site day in, day out. These contractors are on ground doing their best to see that this project actually comes to completion as soon as possible. And if you also take a good look over here, you will see that the entrance gate has also been put in place. Yes, the formation of the major entrance into this facility, you can see what it looks like already right now. And as we speak, work is also still going on at all of these sections. And before you know it, this place would be totally completed and ready for use. And by that time, Ekwulobia will take its rightful position as the 4th mega city, or the 4th commercial city in Anambra State, Nigeria. And the next city is coming up. Don't forget. Don't always think that Soludo is sleeping. This governor is a magic man. Like, when you think that he has done it all, that is when he's starting again. That is just, I was so shocked, and I don't even know the language to use or the words to use for this. But what I'm saying is that when you think he is done, or when you think he is tired, that is when he is, as in he's waking up. That is when he's actually starting up a new project. So I'm not doubtful that we are going to have a fifth city in Anambra State after Ekwulobia. I'm not doubtful. Like, I'm not going to say this is the last city or this is the only city Soludo is going to explore in Anambra State. Guys, don't be surprised that we are going to have a fifth city. We're talking about a fifth major commercial city in Anambra State. It is going to happen. Don't be surprised when it starts happening. I'm telling you, I'm already seeing it coming, and the way it's going to happen is going to shock everybody. Soludo is not here to joke, guys. This man is not here to joke. He is here to really transform Anambra State. And the way it is, I'm so happy. Most times when I just think about all of what's going on in Anambra State, I would just be so happy and impressed with what is going on, because this is exactly what we have been praying for a very long time, and all of a sudden it's happening like magic. This is totally unexpected, and we also at the same time give God all the glory, because this is so nice. It's so nice. Soludo is truly a godsend to Anambra State, just like I've always stated, and this is so impressive. Okay, now let's look at this particular spot here. All the same, I'll still go down and then come towards that spot so that you will see what I'm talking about. But before then, over here is the road that leads to Oga. Okay, so now let's take a close look at this project going on here. Okay, let's take a close look at this project that is going on here. What you are seeing here is the Solution Tower, or you can say the iconic tower of Anambra State, that is being constructed right beside this flyover. And right on this site, I noticed something about this project that's going on here, talking about this tower that is being constructed at this particular spot. Don't forget that we have something like this being constructed in Anambra State. I've been talking about in Awka, sorry, not here. We have something like this that's being constructed in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And the truth of the matter is that what I observed here is that this particular tower here is more solid. Like, what they are doing here is more solid and more unique than what they are doing in Awka. Yes, the tower they are doing in Awka compared to this tower they are doing in Ekwulobia here, the two are that cannot be compared, because what they are doing here is totally different and unique. Okay, that's my observation. So let me hear your thoughts also about that. Let me hear your view. Let me hear your commendation, whatever it is you think you can add to this video and add to our knowledge. Also, please do that on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. So guys, let's take a look at the town flyover. Yes, this is right on ground. Let's take a look at the surroundings on ground and see what the surroundings look like right beneath the flyover. Don't forget that we went from up of the flyover and then we came down from the other end, and now we are right on the ground. So let's take a good look at the surroundings and also see what the surroundings look like. No doubt this flyover is one of the longest flyovers. Talking about a single longest flyover in Anambra. Yes, it looks like one of the longest single flyovers in Anambra State. Currently, the way it is, I would say is the longest. So let me hear from you guys. It's very important we hear your thoughts, we hear your recommendations, your advices, whatever it is you want to add up to this video. And also, if you have anything we don't know about that you would like to share with us, just to add to our knowledge, please would be glad to hear from you on the comment section. So this is right beneath the flyover, and you can see entirely what this flyover looks like from the ground level. Okay, so don't forget that what is left to be done on this flyover right now is fixing the street lights and then the road markings. These are two important things that I noticed that are remaining. and within a very short time, all of these stuffs will be put in place, and our flyover will be officially commissioned by the executive governor of Anambra State, and we are talking about Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo. Also, if you have watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more beautiful updates like this coming your way. Remain blessed and see you on our next epic video. Bye for now.